I am grateful for the miracle of life, the blessings that are showered on me every day. I love the rays of sunlight that bring warmth to my soul, the vastness of the skies that gives me a glimpse of the freedom of flight. I love the existence of the sea, which reminds me of a greatness that still ebbs and flows. I am grateful for the land I walk on, the land upon which human beings have been able to express the creativity of their souls. With this gratitude rooted in my being, I am in positive anticipation of experiencing more of what I want, and am eager to continue on this cycle of co-creating myself, my life, and my world according to my deepest desires.